5 Best Master Lock. Bullkeys Clear Practice Padlock. Brand name, Master Lock. Size, none. Model number, none. Lock type, keyed padlock. DIY supplies, metalworking. Lock type, cabinet lock. Unit type, set. Package weight, 0.25 kilograms, 0.55 pounds. BOSI 30mm brass padlock master lock. The lock body adopts precision casting, nickel-plated and polished finishing. The lock shackle is made of high-quality carbon steel and chromium-plated blade lock core, durable, safe and reliable. Package included: 1 PC padlock plus 4 PC keys. Size, 30mm. Model number, BS531030. 14 pieces transparent lock combination cutaway practice locks. The 14 pieces super transparent locks combination, the all locks packed with exquisite transparent box. The one set is 14 pieces different lock. They are padlock, Dix lock, one word lock, cross lock, tubular lock, crescent lock, ab lock, B lock, and kinds of key cylinder. The one set meet all needs of locksmith, trained skill, help too easy to deal. 4-digit combination master round shaped disc lock. Color, silver. Material, steel alloy. Size, approximately 7 by 2 cm / 2.76 by 0.79 / Steel body with hardened steel shackle. Combination lock, no key to loose. It can be used for locking doors, windows, bags, trunk, cabinet, etc. 7 pieces transparent locks combination practice locksmith. Brand name, Master Lock. Size, none. Lock type, keyed padlock. Model number, 7 pieces. Unit type, pack. Package size, 14 cm by 12 cm by 4 cm, 5.51 inches by 4.72 inches by 1.57 inches. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.